Let us start. Today let's start the Newton's law of motion. This is the first class. Laws of motion. Introduction of laws of motions. Laws of motion. To move a football which is raised, someone has to strike it. Just a minute. Move a football, we have to give the force on the body, the motion under the force. That's I have to given some force on the body and the object tends to move. Next, to throw a ball upward, on has to given a upward push. Okay, like this. You have to given the upward push. That's the ball move upward directions. This is the force. The brisk case of branch of tree is swing clearly, so some external energy is needed to providing the force to move a body from rest. Okay, this causes the branch of tree to swing clearly, so some external force is given to need the provided the force to move the body from rest. So it is clear that if you want to try the change in state, that's rest to motion, we have to given some external force. Likewise, the external force is needed to retard to or stop motion. Same as if we want to stop the body who is in motion, then we have to given some force. Okay, the body is in motion and the car is in motion and the car stuck on the all of this and the gari will be stopped. So if we want to stop this car, we have to given some force. If this all is not on this way, then we have to given some stopping some force that the body will be raised. That is, you have to push the brake. This the car is moving. Okay, and you have to same as you have to given the brake. That's why the car will be raised. In this example, the external agency of force in the contact with the object. Okay, external given force is given by the object. The force is given like this and the motion is happening in this direction. The force with contact, the body given the force, contacting force and another is non-contacting force. Okay, I will discuss in time respect what is contacting and non-contacting force. The magnet can attach the iron piece from a distance. Okay, this is the non-contacting force. The iron piece, magnet, the force without contact. So it is clear that external agency can also exert force on the body even from a distance, like gravitational force. What is force? Force is a pull or push which generated to tends to generate the motion in a at rest object or stop or tends to stop a body in motion. So tend to change the shape and body. This is the body, push, this is the pull. Okay, like this. What is internal force? Internal force. If the force is applied, agent is inside on a system, then it is known as the internal force. If the force is applied agent inside a system, then this is called the internal force. It does not provide the motion of the body. The internal force not create the motion of the body. Okay. Example: if we are sitting in a car and we push it, it does not move. Okay. If we came out of the car and apply the same force, then it will not be move. Next, this is the force. The internal push does not move the car. External push move the car. What is force? Which one is right? All of this. It is pull or push which tends to move a body. Stop or tends to move a body in motion. Tends to change the shape and body. What is force? Like this. What is the internal force? What is internal force? This apply the agent in outside knot. Apply the agent inside the system. It provided motion not. Only option B. Internal force inside the body. Okay, it not created the motion. What is inertia? Let us first learn about the first law of motion. It is called the inertia, law of inertia. Okay, let us learn what is first law of motion. This first law is called the law of inertia. To understand the first law of, we have to learn about the inertia at first. What is inertia? If the net external force is 0, a body at rest continue at it remain rest. Okay, there is two type of inertia that I am explaining here. There are two type of motion, inertia. One is rest of inertia, another is motion of inertia. Inertia means if a body is in rest, it has tendency to maintain it rest, and if a body is motion, it will be continue in motion in extra time. Okay, the inertia is two type is given here. This is rest of inertia and there is motion of inertia. What is rest of inertia? Rest of inertia say that if the body is in rest, it will be rest. And motion of inertia, it will be the body. If the body is motion, it will be motion forever. Okay, continue with it motion state. Next, a body in motion continue to move within a uniform velocity. This property of body is called inertia. Inertia means resistance to change. Example, a body at rest stay at rest unless act upon by a force. Inertia is equals to mass applied to the implied to the mass. Okay, this is stable. Force is given. The object is moving. Okay, and what happened? The motion, object is in motion. What is inertia? This is the rest, and this is sofa, and sofa maintain its rest state. Okay, this the man is in picture is trying to move the sofa. This is not able to move it, so it will maintain it motion, rest of inertia. Let him go ahead with the trail and tail, and he cannot move because it is large size. Still it is stable. Okay, likely to stay as they are. Okay, it is not willing to move. Okay, all the thing in the universe are lazy. All the thing in the universe is lazy. Okay, that's we can explain here. No object in this world start move on its own weight. If the thing is large, they did not want to move. How does the movement happens? Next one. The object is in motion. It will be motion forever. Okay. Good. For even for a small thing to move, it needs a lot of effort. Even a small thing needs to effort to change its position. Push and pull are the things which make the object move and change its position. If we want to change the position of the object, an external force is needed. If the force is not acting on the ball will not stop and it keeps on the moving and moving. When a ball is kicked in the space, it keeps on moving without stopping. But in the atmosphere, it stops because of the frictional force, air resistance force, roughness of the ground, certain obstacle coming on this path. This is if there is no air friction, air resistance, roughness on the ground or any obstacle of the ball keep on the moving and it can never stop. Thus, want to stay in the same position as they are. Think want to keep doing what they're doing already. How can they stay and the lazy? This is the very reason. The physicists have a special name of this laziness. This is inertia. Inertia means laziness. If thing at rest, they want to stay in rest, and if they want to motion, they stay will be motion. If the object in motion, they want to move on ahead. Okay, this is the Newton's law of motion. It states that every body continued a state of rest or in a state of motion until any other force is applied on the body. MCQ. What is inertia? Vision. It is the property of the body oppose the change in state of rest and motion in vice versa. Like this. What is the which of the following is called law of inertia? Newton's law of motion. Newton's law of motion is called the law of inertia. Newton first law of motion. Newton first law of motion. According to Newton's first law, everybody continue to be in a state of rest or motion in a straight line unless and until it compelled by some external force. This law is called as the law of motion. What does inertia means? Inertia means there is natural tendency of object to keep it doing that they are doing. That's mean if the body rest, it will be rest. If the body motion, it will be motion. All the object resist change their state of rest or uniform motion. Object keep on doing what they are doing. What is unbalanced force in figure? What happened to scooter in this figure? The scooter change its state from the motion to rest, and the external unbalanced force act on him in form of the obstacle. Inertia can be classified as inertia of rest, and inertia of motions. Okay, like this phenomenon. Inertia of direction, it is an inability of the body to change its direction by its own until and unless its external force act on it. Being aware of Newton's law of motion, we should wear a seat belt in a car. Okay. First law talks about how to overcome the inertia when an unbalanced force is applied. Which law of Newton's is called the law of equilibrium? Newton's law of motion. You are thrown outward when wear suddenly takes a turn. Which law is Newton's involved in it? First law. Okay, thank you. This is just introduction of Newton's law of motion. Sorry, law of motion. This is the introduction part. Okay.